Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruising Classics here. Introducing a very cool blast from the past in the form of a 1958 Chevrolet Delray. This black beauty has lasted the test of time. Couple upgrades here and there. What a cool car. Beautiful bright work and stainless on all around this thing. The paint is of driver quality. All the glass is new, and they use the factory color, like the factory green, on all the new glass, and the windshield is original to the car. It does have Chevrolet rallies on all fours. New disc brakes in the front, drums in the rear. Those are power. And speaking of power, Chevrolet 350 Tri-Power. That is matched with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. That engine purrs like crazy. Chrome valve covers. Alternator. MSD Ignition. And just overall, a nice clean engine compartment. It's been taken care of. You can tell that throughout the car. And that beautiful 58 Chevrolet front end. That grille is worth its weight in gold. Of course, inside's been redone. Nice velvety red interior, including bucket seats, red carpet, red dash top with the accented black front dash. Your shifter is on the floor, but it goes up to a nice comfortable feel. Once again, automatic shifter, aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. And make sure that you pay special attention to after this video. I'm going to have some stills of the better pictures of the interior, the trunk, undercarriage, engine compartment, and you'll be able to get a better look of how we see it. Nice driving car, and she is ready to go today. Great cruiser. Turn the key, put it in gear, and go. Offering up from Cruising Classics is this 1958 Chevrolet Delray. Go to our website at cruisingclassicsinc.com so you can see all the other cool cars we have in stock. Or give us a call here. We'll be glad to answer any questions you have about this car or any others. And as always, thank you from Cruising Classics.